Hello students, in this video we will learn algebra of complex number, means how to add given complex number, how to subtract them, how to multiply and how to get the quotient of given two complex numbers. So इसके लिए start करते हैं first addition of complex number. You can take any two complex number, say z. Normally we used to write a plus bi, where ab are the real parts and I is the imaginary iota. Second complex number I want to take, suppose this is a z1, second complex z2, then I can take c plus d time I. And now I want to add these two complex numbers. How? Look at the method. It is as simple as the addition of real numbers, so no need to memorize any formula or anything else. So z1 plus z2, simply add a plus bi plus c plus di. The rule says we are supposed to add real part in real and imaginary in imaginary. What is the real part over here? You can see a is the real part and c is the real part, whereas bi and di are the imaginary parts. So we will add real in real and imaginary in imaginary. A plus c plus. Now what are the imaginary? Bi plus di. So b plus d time I common to the right side. So this is the final addition. Similarly we can take example. Suppose we have 2 plus 3i is a one complex number and another complex number, say 2 minus half I. So let's add these two complex numbers. So we can say this as a z1 and this is a z2. So we will perform addition. What will be the addition of these two? z1 plus z2 equal to 2 plus 3i plus 2 minus half I. As per the rule, we will take real parts together, this and this. So 2 plus 2. What is the imaginary part? 3 minus half I. And the final answer 4 plus 3 minus half, that is 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, 5 by 2 I. So this is the final answer. This is z plus z1 plus z2 is another complex number, and we have to remember sum of two complex number is always complex number. Yes, second operation is subtraction. Here only I will add this addition subtraction. It is as like a real number itself. Suppose for the same example, if you want to find out z1 minus z2, then what will happen? 2 plus 3i as usual minus 2 minus half I. Simply open the bracket. You can take like terms together, real in real, imaginary. 2 plus 3i minus 2 minus minus plus half I. What are the real parts? These are the real. So combine real, take real together. What are the imaginary? I. So 3 plus half, that is also imaginary. So final answer 0 plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2i. So this is answer in the form of a plus bi. So what is the real part over here? 0. Imaginary part is 7 by 2. Now we will discuss multiplication of given two complex numbers. Suppose we have a first complex number, say z1 a plus bi and z2 as a c plus di as usual. How will you take product of these two? z1 dot z2 means product of z1 and z2. As like in algebra, a plus bi into c plus di. So normally we will multiply brackets. So first into both, second into both. So a into c, a into di plus bi into di, bi into di plus bi into c. So I have this term is left. First I supposed to multiply this bi into c. So like terms will take together, like in the sense, so term which is having real part and term which is having imaginary part. Before that we will simplify this. This is a AC plus AD, A into D time I. So B into D, that is a BD, and I into I square, plus B into C, BCI. Look at here carefully. Now here we got I square. So I square is a negative one. So AC plus ADI plus BD into negative I plus BCI. So this part AC and this one, what is that? Minus BD. So I'll take together AC minus BD, because real in real. So what is imaginary plus imaginary now? Imaginary is with I. The term with I is the imaginary term. So AD इसमें ऐड करेंगे हम BC को. So plus BCI. So finally we got answer, isn't it? What was the left side of this? The left side was A plus BI, means Z1, C plus DI. Instead of doing all these steps, we can memorize this formula in short. How to memorize it? There are two parts in the answer. One is the real part and imaginary part. To get the imaginary part, if we observe A into C means real into real. Remember this structure. Minus B into D means imaginary into imaginary. So this upper portion, upper diagram gives you the real part. What about the lower diagram for imaginary? AD, so A multiplied with D and BC. So upper diagram gives you real part, whereas the lower diagram gives you imaginary part. So like this we will get the product. Now you can learn this formula. Instead of following all these steps directly, you can get the answer. Take one of the example to understand this product. Example, suppose we have Z1 as 2 plus 5i and Z2 as, purposely I am taking positive numbers to get the answer quickly, 3 minus 2i. Okay, and I want a product Z1 into Z2. So Z1 into Z2. So what is this product? I can write 2 plus 5i into 3 minus 2i. We will apply the shortcut formula for this. How to get the real part plus how to get the imaginary part into I. So look at here carefully. So for real part I need to use this structure. Means what? 2 into 3, isn't it? So 2 into 3 minus 5 into minus 2, 5 into minus 2. This is the real part. Whereas imaginary part, this lower, 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus imaginary part is 5 into 3, 5 into 3. So what is the final answer here? 2 3s are 6, negative of negative plus 10, 2 2s are 4, negative 4, and 5 into 3, 15. Alright. So final answer 16 plus, that is 11i. If Z1 and Z2 are the two complex numbers, then division of two complex number is defined as Z1 by Z2. Now question arises how to find this division, how to find the ratio of these two complex numbers. That we will discuss. Before that we should know conjugate of complex number. What is a conjugate? Conjugate of complex number. It is a simple thing. Suppose if you have a complex number, say z as a plus bi, then its conjugate, so conjugate of z is denoted by z bar, and it is defined as a minus bi, means change the sign of only imaginary part. For example, what is the conjugate of 3 plus 5i? So this is a z. Then what is the z bar? Conjugate of z is 3 minus 5i. So opposite the imaginary part. Suppose your z is minus half plus 2i. So what is the z bar? Z bar would be this minus half as it is, only change the sign of imaginary part, 2i. One more example. Suppose your z is 2 minus 3i. Then your conjugate must be, what would be the conjugate? Change the sign. Real part remains same, change the sign of imaginary part. Okay, one more example. We will take variety of examples. Suppose your conjugate complex number contains only imaginary, only 3i, and we want to write its conjugate. First of all, express that conjugate complex number in proper format. Real part is absent, means only imaginary, so I can take real part as a 0 plus 3i. Now change the sign of this, so no need to copy 0. Your answer is only negative 3i. Make sure, be careful at this stage. Whenever यहाँ पे सिर्फ imaginary part है, तो change the sign of that, no real part. Sometime what happen, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मिलेगा real part, suppose only 5, and in this case you want to write its conjugate. It's not a difficult task. By confusion or by misunderstanding, you may write answer negative 5. That is not right. First of all, write this in the form of complex. So imaginary part is 0, so 0i. If you change the sign of imaginary part, no change in the answer. तो यहाँ पे तो 5 रहेगा. So z is 5. So what is the conjugate of real number? Real number itself. So conjugate of real number, real itself. So by making use of this concept, we can divide two complex numbers. Suppose you have example, if you have a z is equals to some complex number 2 plus 5i. Say this is the first complex number z1 and another complex number z2, that is 3 plus 4i, isn't it? And you want to find out z1 by z2, the ratio. Okay, how will you get this answer? Your first complex number is 2 plus 5i upon 3 plus 4i. Let's simplify. What is the conjugate of this? Because while rationalizing denominator, we used to multiply. Whenever there is a plus bi, its conjugate is a minus bi. Similarly, we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of this 3 plus 4i. Okay, first of all we will copy this as it is. No. Conjugate of 3 plus 4i. 3 minus 4i. Conjugate is the same conjugate. You have to multiply in the numerator also. Okay. First of all, focus on denominator because our focus is to make denominator instead of complex to real. So apply a plus bi, a minus bi. So denominator becomes a square minus b square. So 3 square minus 4i. Normal algebra law, isn't it? And this one, apply the product rule. This rule says real part. So how to get real? Real into real, imaginary into imaginary. So first bracket is orally will do. 2 3s are 6. By rule subtraction, 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, negative 20. Plus imaginary part, downside u. 2 4s are minus 8. By rule addition, 5 3s are 15 I. So simplify this. 6 ये आएगा प्लस 20. So इसमें आगे that is 15, isn't it? This is a 15. So 15 minus 8, isn't it? 15 minus 8, how much? 7 I. So this would be 9 minus 16 I square, but I square is negative 1, so negative into negative, so this is 9 plus 16 because I square is negative 1. This is 26, sorry, so this I square is negative 1, negative into negative positive, so this is positive 16. So 26 plus 7i. What is this final answer? 26 plus 7i upon yes, this is 16 plus 9, 25. So separate real part and imaginary. Real part is 26 by 25 plus imaginary part is 7 by 25i. So this is your final answer, real part and imaginary part. So final answer is in the format of a plus bi.